Good morning, everybody. My name is Carol Lill. I'm one of the advisors for East High School DECA. We have another co-advisor. His name is Mr. Jeff Connor, and we're going to be running your child's DECA program here at East. We are so excited to have the opportunity to return to a more normal setting with our DECA program this year, and we wanted to share with you today how your child can get involved, what DECA is all about, and also a meeting a little bit later on in September on how you can learn more about this program and the value that it can bring not only to your child's high school experience, but hopefully to their future college, after high school, and career experience as well. So East High School DECA has actually been in existence since the time that East High School opened in 1973. DECA is a co-curricular program that is for students that have an interest in business, marketing, entrepreneurship, accounting, finance, personal finance, marketing, and social media marketing. So really all areas of business. But just because it's for a student that has an interest in business, it doesn't mean that your child is signing on the dotted line right now that they're going to major in business in college or that they are for sure going to be a CEO by the time they're 35. We like to think that our program provides skills for students that are going to go into several different career paths and or college majors. So a little bit more about this program can be found through our parent meeting on September 22nd at 7 o'clock. Let me just shift the view here for you very quickly so that you can get a quick visual on that. And I'd also like to review with you where you and also your child can find out more information. So to get us started, we're going to be offering on September 22nd through Zoom a Welcome to DECA parent meeting at 7 o'clock. As a parent, you're more than welcome to log on and check that out, and your students can definitely come to the meeting as well. I will say that the meeting is definitely going to be skewed more towards parents as your children receive this information during their business class. So with our DECA program, students are in a business class, and then they can decide if they would like to get involved with DECA or not. They do not have to get involved with DECA. There is no negative thing from not getting involved in DECA. DECA is an extracurricular program similar to a sport that can hopefully just enhance your child's time while at East. If your child is interested in becoming a member of DECA, this is what they have to do. So to become a member of DECA, we'll have your child join our East DECA Schoology page through this access code. So to join that page, the students are probably very familiar with it. They're going to go to Courses in Schoology, My Courses, and then join a course, and that's what the access code is for. The registration form and all DECA materials will be rolled out through that Schoology page. Once at that site, they're going to complete the DECA dues and membership Google form. It's pretty detailed and involved, and it also has more information about our program. You're going to be receiving this message today that is also in the form of a welcome letter that can hopefully answer some questions that you have. The third step that has to happen is we have to have the $90 fee to be paid. The $90 fee is a combination of the membership dues for DECA as well as our very first competition, our district competition, December 7th at King of Prussia. In the letter, there's an entire breakdown of what these dues go for to explain it. If your child is on free and reduced lunch and or you have any other financial hardships, please reach out to me privately and let me know. Due to FERPA, the list of children on free and reduced lunch is not shared with the staff. So we need to find that out from you or your child, and of course that can be done in a private setting. Just one more thing for you. Your children will be very familiar with Schoology. This is our East DECA Schoology course, and everything will be rolled out during that time. So when your children get in there, they're going to be able to see that right up here in Welcome to East DECA, there's going to be a welcome slideshow. You and your child might want to look at that together, the membership registration form, and then also a plan of action if you would like to see all of our goals for East DECA this year. We're incredibly excited, as we said in the beginning, to be able to return to a more normal setting. Right now, in our current situation on September 1st, all plans for DECA district, state, and international competitions are go. As we've learned in the last 18 months, we know things may possibly change, but all systems are go at this time. I am currently in the process of planning the district competition for December 7th in King of Prussia. And not only am I excited, but the students are very excited as well. We look forward to having your child join DECA if they would like to get involved with that program. And then again, we'll just leave you with this. If you would like to learn a little bit more about our program, please join us on September 22nd on a Zoom meeting at 7 o'clock. You'll be able to hear from myself as well as the other co-advisor, Mr. Connor, also current students, and even parents that have children in the program already. Thank you so much for your time today, and we hope to see you soon. Take care.